Welcome to this tutorial on DynamoDB primary keys. In this video, we'll explore partition keys and sort keys, two fundamental concepts that determine how your data is stored, accessed, and performs in DynamoDB. Understanding these keys is essential for building efficient and scalable applications on Oz. A primary key is the unique identifier for each item in a DynamoDB table. Think of it as the address that tells DynamoDB exactly where to find your data. When you create a table, you must specify the primary key structure, and this decision is permanent. You cannot change it after the table is created. The primary key not only identifies your items uniquely, but it also determines how data is distributed across storage and what query patterns you can use. DynamoDB offers two types of primary keys. The first is a simple primary key, which uses only a partition key. This single attribute must uniquely identify each item in your table. The second type is a composite primary key, which combines a partition key and a sort key. With this structure, the combination of both attributes identifies each item uniquely. This allows multiple items to share the same partition key as long as they have different sort key values. The partition key is the foundation of DynamoDB's scalability. DynamoDB uses an internal hash function on the partition key value to determine which physical partition will store your data. For optimal performance, your partition key should have high cardinality, meaning many distinct values that distribute evenly across partitions. When you query by partition key, DynamoDB can directly retrieve items without scanning the entire table. However, poor partition key design can create hot partitions, where some partitions receive much more traffic than others, leading to performance bottlenecks. Let's look at a practical example. Imagine a users table where each user has a unique user ID. In this case, user ID is an excellent choice for a partition key. Since every user has a different ID, the data distributes evenly across partitions. When you need to retrieve a specific user's information, DynamoDB can locate it instantly using the partition key, making queries fast and efficient. The sort key is an optional second attribute that works alongside the partition key in composite primary keys. Items with the same partition key are stored together and physically sorted by the sort key value. This enables powerful range queries within a partition. For example, you can query all items with a specific partition key where the sort key begins with a certain value or falls between two values. Sort keys allow you to store multiple related items under the same partition key while keeping them organized and easily queryable. Here's a real-world example using an orders table. The partition key is customer ID and the sort key is order date. This design allows you to store all orders for a single customer together. When you query by customer ID, DynamoDB retrieves all that customer's orders, automatically sorted by date. You can also perform range queries, such as finding all orders for a customer within a specific date range. This pattern is extremely common and powerful for one-to-many relationships. Let's review the key design best practices. First, choose partition keys with high cardinality to ensure many distinct values. Second, aim for even distribution so that access patterns are uniform across all partitions, avoiding hot spots. Third, always design your keys based on your application's access patterns and query requirements. Finally, for sort keys, use timestamps or sequential values when you need to support range queries or retrieve data in a specific order. Following these principles will help you build DynamoDB tables that scale efficiently and perform well under any load.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.